So today I want to talk about dairy-free cold lattes. You don't need an espresso machine to make a latte. By using the SToK Soy Barista collection with the ISI canister, it creates this fizzy, light, foamy texture that you would normally find in other lattes that are hot, except now you get it cold. So today I'm going to make a SToK cold brew mocha. We do this by using a charged ISI canister, so no espresso machine needed. And you're making basically chocolate milk with the SToK Soy Barista collection. You mix the soy milk with chocolate syrup to whatever sweetness that you want using the chocolate. Pour it into the ISI canister. This will actually make a cold foam that's really light and frothy in texture, almost a little fizzy. And you can pour that over a cold brew coffee like SToK.